Hi, this is Neeraj Jaswal and welcome to this episode. In this episode, I am going to write the event handler or button clicks on this feed items. So let's get started. We'll open the this home.cs, the script. Now the button event handler has to be added here while we are instantiating the buttons dynamically. So to do that, we'll need to basically get the reference to the button script. So from the item which we have already got, we need the component. We need the reference to, just stop this one. I'll show you what exactly we have. We need reference to this script basically, and then we'll be adding this function here. So basically that is to be done dynamically. So get component at it is button. We'll need the button component, and then we get the reference there. Basically on click listener, on click, and then add listener, and we are going to add the function. We will name it as open story, and we are going to pass the title, the publish date, the description, the image URL, and the link. Yes, now we will need to basically open this story. Basically before, like we'll just create a function here. We'll have a, we'll take the title as one of the parameters. Next is we'll take the pub date, then we'll take the string as the description. Next is we'll take the image URL, and then the link. So this is where basically we'll first, let us just log it and check whether everything it's working. Next is like okay, so basically here what we can do is, like, we can just update description, image URL, link, everything we can have it passed from here. So now we'll just pass the all the items which are mentioned in the parameter list, then pub date, then description, then image URL, then link. So pub date, description, image URL, link, and this should suffice. So okay, this autocomplete I hate. Okay, the script is now running like built successfully. We'll go to to Unity editor and run it. Now let us click on the button. I'll just clear whatever it is there. So it is entering. So that's all in this episode. I'll meet you in the next episode. Keep rocking and happy coding.